Buju Banton has regained his U.S. visa. After being deported to Jamaica in 2018 following his release from prison on drug convictions, he was able to re-enter the United States as of May 2024. This was possible because for certain convictions like drugs and guns, individuals can apply for a waiver to enter the U.S. The music industry was surprised when DJ Khaled announced Buju Banton's presence in the United States through a live broadcast from Miami. The U.S. visa waiver that Buju Banton may have used is not the same as the Visa Waiver Program, VWP, which allows citizens of certain countries to travel to the U.S. for tourism or business without a visa for up to 90 days. Instead, individuals with certain types of convictions like drug offenses can apply for a waiver of ineligibility. This waiver is a form of legal forgiveness that the U.S. government may grant to individuals who would otherwise not be allowed to enter the country due to their criminal record. To apply for this waiver, the individual must submit an application to the U.S. Department of State and provide various documents, including proof that their presence in the U.S. would not be harmful. The process involves a detailed review and can take a significant amount of time to complete. The specific criteria and process for obtaining such a waiver can be complex and typically require the assistance of an immigration lawyer or a professional with expertise in U.S. immigration law. It's also worth noting that each case is unique, and the outcome of a waiver application can depend on many factors, including the nature of the conviction and the individual circumstances since the conviction. So, in summary, a waiver of ineligibility is a special permission that allows someone who has been convicted of certain crimes to enter the U.S., despite their criminal record, by demonstrating that they are not a threat and their entry would not be contrary to U.S. interests.